You understand. Nothing personal. It's just good business.
Okay. Hello guys, kamusta kayo dyan? How are you? Friends, colleagues, downlines, distributors. Okay, it's Wednesday, August 14, maulan. Buti naman, hindi masyado mainit. Mas masarap magtrabaho sa bahay, you know, when it's not too hot. So, it's medyo matagal na ako hindi nag-video kasi nga we're always busy, me and Edna. Nasa Cali kami everyday. We've been traveling and we're building. Okay, we're sharing the business, we're sharing the product, and we're building. Pero siyempre, there are challenges, no? Kaya ako ginagawa tong video na to is to share with you yung mga daily challenges namin and excitements, siyempre. Ako, when I drive, siyempre, focus ako sa driving ko, pero at the back of my head, you know, we're really there to enjoy, make the most of the day, enjoy it with Edna, with Charlie, enjoy the view, but at the same time, you know, we do our job. It's the flyers kami, we share the brochure, stopovers, pag kumakain kami sa isang restaurant, hindi kami dapat maubusan ng brochure because that's the only way we can share a product. Pagka mayroon kaming nami-meet na tao or group of people during stopover, pupunta sa washroom, lahat yan po, hindi po namin pinapalampas yan. Kasi we have proved that it is very, very effective to have flyers sa sasakyan, and siyempre pag lumalabas kami sa sasakyan, meron kami bayong puro flyers yun. So, you know, direct selling is, alam naman natin, wala naman tayong advertisement na ginagawa dyan, except that tayo mismo as direct sellers and networkers, tayo, okay, word of mouth, tayo ang nag-share ng product. It is our responsibility, okay, to share our product and our business to everyone. Okay, so ang title of this video is Tito Bobot. Patience in direct selling and MLM is a virtue. Bakit? We always proved that patience is a virtue. Dito kasi sa ganitong klaseng hanap buhay, hindi po pwede na maiksi ang pasensya mo. Okay? Because as you build, kakaroon ka ng challenges, iba-ibang tao. So that's why the title of this video is Nothing Personal, Just Business. Kasi we don't take negative people personally. We don't take rejections personally. Because at the end of the day, you know, it's just business, meaning to say, we have to promote our product and we have to build. That's all we can say. Okay? So, yung kay Tito Bobot, actually, bago siya bumili ng product, it took us 1, 2, 3, 4, or even 5 times para pasyalan siya sa Gataran pag nagpupunta kami ng Gataran. Okay? Malubak yung kanyang kalye, bato-bato, papunta sa lugar niya. He's a big businessman in Gataran, pero low profile siya. Napakasimple niya, as you can see. Meron siyang gasoline station, tapos meron pa siyang trucking, ang dami ng trucks, no? Tapos laki ng warehouse niya, laki ng bahay niya, so laki ng compound niya. In fact, the other day, it was yesterday nung nandun kami, you know, nagpasalubong pa siya ng isang katerbang dragon fruit at saka saging. Masarap. So sabi ko kay Ed na ang sarap niya kasi meron siyang ganyang klaseng hanap buhay na, alam mo yun, sustain. Kaso, siyempre, meron din pressures on his side. Yun ang maalis yan. But anyway, ito yung experience namin. Yung first contact namin, siyempre, we shared the brochure, we shared the product, and, you know, kasama, kaharap yung asawa niya and family and, alam namin na hindi siya sold sa idea. Okay? Pero ganun pa man, and na-explain the benefits, ganun naman dapat eh. You just try your best to explain the benefits, hindi mo kailangan habaan. Excuse me. And before you leave the customer, kahit negative siya, always be professional. Okay? Always make sure na nabigyan mo siya ng good service by explaining the benefits. Walang hype, walang, no over-promises. Kasi like ko sinasabi, like Tito Bobat, hindi naman stand-alone solution there. You still have to have a good and healthy lifestyle. Okay? And our product, plant-based stem cell, will help you with your health issues. Si Tito Bobat is suffering from diabetes, okay, apparently. And meron siya mga pain issues kasi nga malaki siya. Okay? So, there are other challenges na, that will come along the way habang tumatanda siya. Okay? I'm even older than him. Okay? Mas matanda ako sa kanya. I think by 2 years or 3 years. But still, salamat kay Lord, mas healthy ako sa kanya because, siguro I've decided to take care of my body, my health, at my age kasi I don't need to get sick. Can't afford to get sick. Mahirap magkasakit. Maraming nag-a-attempt sa direct selling o kaya networking. Pero may diferensya yung mindset nila. I'll give an example. Let's say, ang dami yung pinuntahan during the day and wala ni isa ang bumili. It's okay. When you build a business kasi, it doesn't take one day, it doesn't take a week. It takes months and years. So kami, nandito na kami sa hanap buhay na to because on my part, alam ko na ang buhay empleyado. I've been working abroad for years. Napakahirap. Okay, napakahirap magtrabaho sa abroad. Kahit sabihin na natin malaki sweldo mo, yes, but ang kapalit na. Nowadays, your health. Stress kills, okay? Nanggaling din kami sa traditional, okay? I felt it was just like, a continuation of being employed kasi akala ko pag traditional business ka, okay ka na. Pala hindi. In my opinion, for the rest, it might be okay. But for me, para na rin akong nagtatrabaho kasi I have to wake up in the morning, open the shop, and go home in the evening because I have to be there the whole day, close the shop, and during the day, grabe. Lalo na pagka mainit, etc., etc. And feeling ko, para lang ako nagbabayad ng upa, para lang ako nagbabayad ng kuryente, but, halos walang natitira because, it's, competition is everywhere. Hindi lang naman ikaw ang nag-iisang mini grocery, which yung naging negosyo namin. We tried food also. At the beginning, maganda. Pumapasok yung pera. Pero yung katabi namin, competition is tough, only rice, only everything, and mababa yung presyo, and how can you compete? So, anyway, the point is, in any business, especially direct selling and networking, you have to have patience. Okay? You have to have patience. Yan ang puhunan mo. So, marami nag-a-attempt, but after a week, or even after a day or two, or after 1 or 2 months, they quit. So look, when does it end? Will you wait for another opportunity? Maganda yung product. Okay? In this case, it is stem cell product. It is plant-based. Alam kasi natin dito, karamihan sa atin, from what I observe, ang alam natin is human stem cell or animal stem cell. The knowledge about plant-based stem cell is talagang napakaliit. So, maraming nagugulat na meron na palang another source of stem cell, which are plants. So, maganda yung product. Supportive naman yung company. maganda yung compensation plan kasi over 9 months, I added all the income that came in across 3 to 4 accounts because you're allowed to have more than one account. So I would say I think we're hitting the 600,000, more than half a million. At this point, it's about 600,000 Philippine peso in a span of 9 months. Okay? Hindi na masama po yun. Hindi na masama. So, in 9 months, na-achieve namin yun. So, for the next months to come, and years to come, we're confident na, merong resulta. And this is the fruit of patience as a virtue, no? So, maganda yung company, maganda yung product, supportive yung management, pero you still fail. So, palagay ko hindi nakasalanan ng product, compensation plan, or company. I think there's something to do with yung person. Okay. Another reason kung bakit yung patients hindi nag-stick out kasi nga maraming nega, maraming family, relatives, friends who tend to be dream stealers, no? Very unfortunate. Maraming dream stealers. Dito hindi mo alam kung sino yung kakampi mo, but you really have to stay focused. So, let's go back to Tito Bobot. So, yung second visit namin, wala pa rin. Basta sabi sa amin, sige, balik na lang kayo. But still, we smile, we say hello. Hindi kami nagpapakita ng tampo whatsoever. Basta sabi namin sa kanya, Tito Bobot, pag nandito kami, asahan nyo, papasyal kami. So, third, fourth, fifth. So, finally, one day, we got a call. Okay? Sabi niya, pwede ba kayo mag-deliver ng 2 box? So, hindi namin alam the change of mind. Maari kasing may nagsabi sa kanya, totoo naman, kasi kumakalat yung feedbacks na maganda yung product, nagtanong, or may narinig sa radyo, or may nabasa somewhere, or probably pagod na siya sa mga tinitake niya na medicine, and it's already affecting him, at siguro sinabi niya, subukan ko na lahat, why should I not try this? Okay, so ganun yan eh. Patience is a virtue. Be professional. Okay, live with a smile. Give them your service, and yun lang. Pag napapagawi kayo sa area, tawag-tawag lang. Hello, kamusta po kayo? How is your health? Do you want to try the product? Yun lang. That's all it takes, no? Ito po experience namin na dinaanan namin, and until now dinadaanan pa namin, no? Stand out kasi if you are patient. Okay, sige lang. Okay, sige lang. So, to our value distributors, lalo na yung mga baguhan, never give up. And be active. Okay? Pag nagte-text sa inyo, apply nyo, respond. Okay? Because if you don't respond, ang magiging feeling ko as your upline is you've lost interest, na-discarril ka na, you allow dream stealers to affect you, sabi mo hindi ubra, but anyway, again, the product will always lead us to somewhere. Pag maganda ang product, wala kang magagawa. And in this kind of business, you have to establish yourself as soon as possible. Okay? Kasi, quote-unquote, dito sa ganitong klaseng hanap buhay, una-unahan lang. So, approach your family, approach your friends, approach your relatives, approach your neighbor, lahat. No? Walang mawawala. Kaya nga, ang ego dito is mawawala. Kasi nga, hindi ka nahihiya. You're thinking of your family, you're thinking of your welfare, of your family. You're thinking of your dreams. So sabi ko, okay, itong kaharap ng tao, makakatikim sa akin ng brochure. Okay? So yan po si Bobot sa amin ngayon. Now, I'm very confident. After na na-deliver namin yung 2 boxes sa kanya the other day, I'm sure makakaramdam niya ng something that is nice. He was complaining about hindi raw siya nakatulog. This is the answer. Okay? Lahat sa amin na gumagamit ng plant-based stem cell, we have good sleep. Okay? So, pag naramdaman niya na to, and I don't think bibitawan niya to kasi nga gumaganda yung health niya. Okay? Yun. That's all I can say about this topic today. Patience is a virtue. Okay? Sa lahat naman ng hanap buhay, you need to have long patience. So, kung nakuha namin maging pasensya sa mga, let's say, employment life ko for about 34 years, sa traditional business namin, which was about 3 to 4 years, ito pa kaya. Okay? That is bringing us the income that we need, and at the same time sharing a wonderful product, and all you have to do is to invest, no? Mag-invest kayo sa brochure, and lagi-lagi niyong dala, at doon sa brochure make sure nandoon yung pangalan niyo, okay, and yung number niyo. Okay, why? About 2 or 3 months ago may tumawag kay Edna. Okay, sabi niya natanggap niya yung brochure, pero hindi maalala ni Edna kung kailan niya binigay yung brochure. That person probably kept that brochure, and siguro after some weeks or some months, nakita niya ulit. Probably during that time, yung health niya was not, good. So, yun. So, they call, they pay in cash, okay, and that's it, no? So, folks, that's all I can say. Patience is a virtue. Now, mapapansin nyo, we are also on social media. Please like us on social media. Nandiyan naman. Ednalyn Terreras Balino. And there is another Facebook page which is called Nothing Personal, Just Business. We are also on Instagram, Green Stem Cell Therapy. We are also on TikTok. Okay. We are also on YouTube. Okay. Pareho, Green Apple Stem Cell Therapy and Nothing Personal, Just Business. And meron din akong blog, no, that I update from time to time. So the latest addition is the podcast. Ayun, nakalagay sa taas. No? It's Spotify podcast. And hanapin nyo lang yung pangalan ko, Rosano Salvosa Almonia, and mahanap niya yan. Okay? So either way, you can watch this through YouTube, or you can also watch this through my Spotify podcast. Nasa Viber din kami, as you can see from here, and meron din kami contact number sa WhatsApp. So, meron pa rin email, and you can also visit us at our website, which is greenapplestemcell.com. Hindi ko pa na-update dito sa slide ko, but I will do it in the next video. So, thank you, and I'll be sharing more in the next days bago kami bumiyahe ulit. Very exciting itong hanap buhay na to. Marami kami nakikilala. Etong pinakamaganda kasi, marami kami nakikilala. And pag marami kang nakikilala, opportunity knocks on your door. Maraming avenues. Pwede pala to. So, alam mo, sa traditional business, you are there, you are limited to your space, nandun ka, hindi ka makaalis. Kasi nagbabantay ka, kasi nga, customers darating. That is good. Right? It still brings food on the table and nakakatulong sa bills. Pero sa amin kasi, sa direct selling, we are doing, we travel a lot because we build left and right. Eto na, nararamdaman na namin. We're getting more busier and busier kasi nga, nadadagdagan ng distributors, nadadagdagan ng customers, may mga bumibili left and right. So, ang dami pang work na gagawin over the years. Sabi ko kay Edna, 2 to 3, 4 years pa tayo dito. But definitely, we will be enjoying the fruits of our labor. But we will not stop kasi We will always help our distributors who are committed, yung nakikita namin committed, and yung mga nakikita namin who are patient enough, okay, to do this business. So once they show these qualities, once they are committed and patient, nandun kami all the time for them. Okay? So because their success is also our success. So finally, yun lang po. And have a good day. It's almost 7 o'clock. So, I'll take a rest for a while and do more things in the night. Thank you and God bless po.